Hi, this is your host Shubham Tiwari, and I welcome you to Whiz Kids, a show brought to you by Wonder Published Magazine, where we speak with some of the brightest kids from all over the world. Today, we have the pleasure of having Sharyu Jadhav from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. She's a ninth grader. She studies in Shantiniketan School. She calls herself an enthusiastic and determined girl. Welcome to Wonder Published Magazine, Sharyu.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, tell us what's the meaning of your name.
Oh, yeah. Sharyu, it means river. It is near Ayodhya.
Okay.
Sharyu, it means river. Yes,
Sharyu
it
River.
means river.
Okay.
In Marathi, we call it Sharayu, and
Sharayu.
but in some of them call me Sharayu.
Sharayu.
But in Marathi, it pronounced at Sharayu. It is river.
Okay. In North
Yes.
India, it's called Saryu. So that's how it's
Yes.
like that. So have you seen that river? Have you gone to Ayodhya?
No, I have not gone yet, but I see the videos of it
Okay.
on YouTube. I watch it.
That's
It's
wonderful.
nice. I have seen that river, but I have not went there yet.
Yeah.
And I will try to go there.
Yeah, I'm
I
sure you
want to
will go.
visit that. Day
You
before,
should go there.
yes, day before yesterday only, I told to my mother that I want to go there.
You will go there someday for sure. So Sharyu, you say that you're a very determined girl. Why do you say that? Tell us about yourself.
Yes, sir. And so, yes, I will tell about myself. My name is Sharyu Deepak Jadhav, and I'm enthusiastic and determined girl because I'm so creative. Means I like to creative. I do creative, and my
Okay.
behavior is something different. That I'm something means I want to create something. I'm enthusiastic. I'm determined girl. And I learn more. I like to listen to everyone.
Okay.
I
You're a good
love
listener.
to respect, and yes, I love to respect. I love to take care of everyone, and this is my behavior, and so I call it. I'm so determined girl.
That's wonderful. So you say that you're creative. So tell us, what are your other interests other than academics? You're on mute. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Not now. Yeah.
Other than academies, I have interest in all things like cooking, playing in basketball, and I play guitar also.
Oh,
And
wonderful.
I love, yes, it's that I am all rounder. Means I love to do all things, but the more interest is playing in basketball, playing guitar, and all other activities also. Yes.
That's wonderful. So speaking of your academics, how's your classes going? First of all,
Yes, it's going better.
better. I mean, since the start of the pandemic, now it's better.
Yes, on first June it started.
First June it
First June
started.
it started. Yes. Some of children says that it's very difficult to learn, but for me it's very easy to learn. And but I do miss
School.
schools.
You do miss school. What is the one thing that you miss the most about school?
Playing in court, playing in basketball court. That makes
Ah,
me so wonderful.
you're a basketball
And I
player.
love that. And
Right.
first of all, my school's teachers are they are very pleasures to me, and so I love to go to school, but due to this pandemic, we are not able to now.
Okay. So how far is your school from your place?
I think so. It's just no, it's 2 kilometer, three to 4
2 kilometers.
kilometer.
I'm asking this because you
It's
say that
your
you
only,
are a
yes.
cyclist as well. So you
Yes,
cycle your way to school or what?
yes. I love to. Yes, I love to ride cycle.
That's
But
wonderful.
due to this pandemic, also my parents are not allowing me to go
Yeah, of course they shouldn't.
anywhere.
Yeah.
Yes, and that they are saying that you should take care. And in last month only, I was not feeling well. So they told that you should not go to ride cycle after some. If this pandemic go, we will allow you to go anywhere.
Yeah,
So
of
it's
course.
like that
Of
way.
course.
But I
That's
love to
good.
ride cycle more.
That's good. So speaking of learning, you said that some students faced, some problems. They said they're facing problems. So how has been your experience with ebooks and e-learning, all these apps and softwares?
Yes, about e-learning and e-books, it's very easy. Means it is very useful that we can use anywhere, anytime, and it saves our times as well as it saves our money.
Right.
And it's very useful. And for about me, now this due to this pandemic also, now all childrens are using e-learnings only,
Mm-hmm.
and that's all.
Okay, okay. That's wonderful. See, Shari, a lot of people in the authority who do surveys, they're saying that children have lost, language abilities to an extent. So I assume that you're from Maharashtra, you know Marathi, you understand Hindi, English. So have you faced any problem in the sense of linguistics?
First time it was happening with me, but now now I am starting my communication skill.
Okay.
So due to I am Maharashtrian, so it happens because our mother tongue is another,
Which is your mother tongue?
and we Marathi.
Ah,
It is
Marathi, of
Marathi.
course. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, it is Marathi. But it is very difficult to learn other languages as well as. But moving to speaking English, if you will try to if you will communicate every time in English or any other language which you want to learn,
Right.
if you will learn it again and
Yeah.
again, then it will better for you.
Yeah.
So I think so that, but it was happening with me that first time when I was 12, no, first when I was 10 years old, that time it was happening with me that I was not very good in English. But
Okay.
after coming to 8th standard, I improved my English, and
Mhm.
that's what, yes,
That's
that's all.
wonderful. That's the best way to
So
learn.
now I'm good in English. Yes.
That's good. That's good. So you say you're an all-rounder, and we believe you. So tell us, if you were the Prime
Yes.
Minister of India, what would you
Yes.
do different?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I don't think so. I don't think so that I would be a prime minister of India, a person like me. But however, if I would be a prime minister of India, I will develop the country in following ways. That first way is I will implement the law. Implement the law of. I will
Law of
implement
the
the
land.
law without any discrimination. And second following way is. I will provide great opportunity, great job opportunity for youth, and there should be and I will provide that there should be no any discrimination. I will provide an equality for including in all matters of jobs and education. There should be an equality,
Right.
and I will maintain a good relationship with all countries, and including particularly with neighbors countries, and I will spread good wings dates and integrating good dates, and
Right.
that's all. Yes, I will provide that.
That's
And the
wonderful. You
main
have
thing
good
I will
ideas.
provide that there should be an equality. There should be no any discrimination. That's all. Yes.
So you are against discrimination because you have very strong opinions on that. That's good. Your ideas and your head is in the right place. So linking that question to your aspirations, you said you don't want to be the Prime Minister of India. You can't. I mean, you're saying that you don't see yourself there. But where do you see yourself then? What are your aspirations? Where do you aspire to?
Oh, yes. Um, as I want to be any civil servant. I want to be any civil servant, but I'm thinking about that only, and aspire to be now for thinking about our future.
Mhm.
I think that to aspire about our achievements, then we should move towards positivity, because positive energy beats positive energy, and we should focus on good things. Okay, if we will we should not think about what there should be and what should be. So we should think about the focus. We should focus on good things. Okay,
Right.
and we should do what makes us happy and others also. So we should do that, and we should take that chance, and then we should do that all. And that's all, that people will love you because of it. Okay, so if you are good, then people will love you. Okay,
Right.
love you because of it only. So that's all, and we should focus on good things. This is that.
That's wonderful. That's great. So you want to become a civil servant. So I'll have to ask you, which is your favorite subject and why?
Oh yes. So first of all, my all subjects are my favorite. I have told you only. So, but my most favorite subject is geography, because it
Okay.
tells about yes, it tells about us, about our India. First of India, not about India only, but our whole world. It
Correct.
tells about. It tells about, yes, it tells about whole world. And for example, vegetation, climate, nature, economy, agriculture, it tells about all, and the way of people live. So I love geography.
That's wonderful. That's great. So did you learn anything new during this pandemic? Any new skill? Anything you read?
Yes, I have read. As you told that I was selected for Dr. Kiran Bedi's ma'am interaction with her in 47 season, and so I have read her e-learning, that making of Top Cop book, that I have learned in this pandemic only, in this way only. And I have learned new skill, guitar.
Guitar.
I learned to play guitar. Yes,
That's
it's
wonderful.
my favorite. So that, and new thing, that's all. And I love to learn more things from others. That is my
That's the best way to
behavior
learn.
only.
That's the
I
best way.
love to learn from everyone,
That's great. That's great.
something new things. And this time now schools have started, so the schools syllabus is on personalities, everyone's personalities, about everything, means like Albert Einstein, Adolf Hitler, like this way. So
Right.
I'm thinking about their facts, that how was Adolf Hitler, how was Albert Einstein,
Yes, you should read.
what was their
Correct.
thinking. Yes. And I love to I love to learn new facts
Mm-hmm,
about
mm-hmm.
everyone, that what is the new fact, this is the new fact, this is the new fact. I love that all.
That's wonderful. Do you
I
have
love
your
it,
guitar
yes.
with you right now?
No, I don't have. I just started in now it's 6 months, but on the 26th May my birthday was there, so my mother told me that I will gift you a guitar,
Guitar.
but
Right.
due to this pandemic, my mother told I will give you another year. I'm
Okay.
really sorry.
Later.
She said me that I'm really sorry, but I can't buy for you it. But I told that it's okay, mummy. I can just practice it, but I can means I can play it very well.
That's good. Without
And if
having
I
your own guitar,
yes,
you can play it very well.
yes, I don't have
That's
any,
great.
yes,
That's
but I'm going to
unheard of.
buy it.
Oh yeah, you'll get it as soon as the things
Yes,
go back to normalcy. So
yes,
speaking of your parents, tell
yes.
us about what kind of support you got from them and in what ways you supported them.
Yes. Oh, yes, my mother's name is Vidya Jadhav and my father's name is Deepak Jadhav. They both have their own business and they handle it, and they support me at all time. But going through it, that they supported during this pandemic, they supported me a lot. As we
Okay,
bo- as even I have my elder sister. She is in 12th standard now. But we four in our home, we four are there, so we come together during this pandemic, and they supported me a lot. They supported me a lot, that they told that during this pandemic the school is not opening yet. This means physical school has not started yet.
right.
So they told me that you be honest with yourself. You be honest with yourself first, so that we because they don't have any time to see at me, and now I am 12 years old, so I can decide myself that what to do good and what is good for me, what is bad for me. I should know now, because I am now growing. I'm now growing. So they told me that now this is so we are not going to see you that what you do not do. So you attend the classes or not, you do the homework or not. So it's your responsibility now. You have to do it. So I have told them that I have promised them that I will attend all the classes, I will do all the homework, and I will be honest with myself. And so that's all. And they supported me a lot.
So you're enjoying new responsibilities that are
Yes.
being given to you.
Yes.
That's
Yes, sir.
wonderful. And they're teaching you all the right lessons about honesty, taking responsibility for one's actions. That's very important. So, share you any last message that you want to give to your friends, best friends? Who are your best friends? What are the names?
First of all, I don't have any best friend because, but going through it, my sister is my best friend, more
What's
best
her
friend.
name?
But
What's her name?
her name is Vishwajyoti.
Vishwajyoti. Wonderful.
Okay, so I share all things with her, and my second best friend is my mom. She's she's everything with me. So I share my all things with her. Anything, I have my sad things, my good things. I all share with her only.
Right.
So yes, but I have one of my friend I have, and during this pandemic, we all friends. About my school friends, we all made together. We all due to this pandemic, I can't go anywhere. I
Outside.
can't
Correct.
go anywhere's
Mhm.
home. So we made on a WhatsApp. We have made WhatsApp group.
Mhm.
We have made WhatsApp group. On that, we make we do chats. We do video calls to each other, and
Okay.
that's how
That's
we do each
wonderful.
other.
That's wonderful. So you're keeping in touch. That's more important. You're enjoying your responsibilities, your studies. You're an all-rounder. We wish you all the best, Sharyu.
Yes, yes, sir.
We're sure that you'll do great. Thank you so much for your time today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. We're glad to have you. And thank you everyone for tuning in. Do subscribe for more such content. We'll see you in the next episode of WizKids.